Epsom salt and baking soda are two common household items that can be used effectively to get rid of pests. Both have properties that make them great for pest control, whether for insects, ants, or even rodents. Here's how you can use them effectively. 1. Repel ants with Epsom. Epsom salt is a natural ant repellent. Its strong, bitter taste discourages ants from entering your home. To use, simply sprinkle Epsom salt around entry points like doorways, windowsills, and cracks where ants tend to invade. The salt creates an environment that's unpleasant for ants and drives them away. Reapply regularly to keep ants at bay. 2. Eliminate cockroaches with baking soda. Baking soda is an effective tool for killing cockroaches. The substance disrupts their digestive systems. To use, mix equal parts of baking soda and powdered sugar. The sugar attracts the cockroaches, and when they consume the mixture, the baking soda creates a toxic reaction in their bodies, ultimately killing them. Place the mixture in areas where you've seen cockroaches, like under sinks or behind appliances. 3. Repel slugs and snails with Epsom. Salt slugs and snails can wreak havoc in gardens. Epsom salt can help keep them away. Sprinkle a thin layer of Epsom salt around the base of plants. The salt irritates their bodies, causing them to avoid the area. Be cautious not to overuse it, as too much salt can harm your plants. 4. Neutralize bedbugs with baking soda. Baking soda can also help with bedbugs. Sprinkle it generously in areas where bedbugs are likely to hide, like mattress seams or behind furniture. Baking soda dehydrates bedbugs and may help reduce their population. Vacuum the area thoroughly after a few days. 5. General pest deterrent. Both Epsom salt and baking soda can act as general pest deterrents. Sprinkling these around garden beds or in areas where pests frequent will help reduce the chances of an infestation. The abrasive nature of these substances can deter many insects, including fleas and spiders. By using these inexpensive household items, you can manage pests effectively without relying on harsh chemicals.